Do you find yourself getting your hands dirty often? Here's the fix. Strategically place rubber gloves throughout your household, and you don't have to worry about washing your hands or if they get dirty. I keep rubber gloves in the kitchen. I keep rubber gloves in our lunch boxes along with napkins. I keep them in the bathroom, especially when I have to clean the toilet. In my first aid kit. Ta-da! Of course, within my toolbox. I always keep a couple pair down by my spare tire, as well as the utility compartments. Anywhere where I have paints and sprays, got them there. I even have it in my backpack pouch. There you go. The point being is you want to strategically place these in areas that you can readily make them accessible and grab them. This way you're not looking for them, or worst case, you just get in your mind like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead, get my hands dirty, when all you have to do is just keep these replenished throughout the areas like what I just showed you. So comment below, let me know what you guys think. Show me some other areas you can keep rubber gloves, keep it clean. This is Scott from Scott's Top Tips. We'll see you on the next video.